Any preferences? Nobody? All right, I'll just start with the momentum then. We started with that first. Playbook last. Yeah, this is the 6:45 break. You're at the right place if you're looking for the 6:45 break. All right, here we go. Let's get this show on the road. Good luck, everybody. There's our 5-packs out of there. Got our 5-packs there. Empty box. All right. And away we go. If I can get it separated here. First pack. All right, so we got Rashard Mendenhall, Drew Brees, Jason Pierre-Paul, Trent Richardson, and that will go to the Browns. It says Browns on it. Our rookie, Quentin Patton. And our first hit of this break will be Jordan Poyer for the Eagles. Jordan Poyer. And that is, oh, nice low number. 29/49. 29/49. Jordan Poyer for the Eagles. All right, second pack. We got Romo, Aaron Rodgers, Arian Foster, Alfred Morris, our rookie, Dennis Johnson, and our hit is, oh, a nice Terrence Williams 4 quad patch auto. Terrence Williams. Nice hit for the Cowboys there. Another decent low numbered card, 9/49 there. Terrence Williams. Nice. All right, Torrey Smith, Jay Cutler, Miles Austin, Matt Schaub, our rookie, Desmond Trufant, and our hit is, oh, nice Mike Glennon. 4 color patch. White, orange, black, and red. Mike Glennon for the Bucks. And that's a nice little number too, 30/49. All 3 cards so far have been no higher than 49. Sweet patch there. Yeah. Yeah, last night we had 2 Lacey's in the break. The first break tonight we had a Lacey out of Momentum. Hey, what do you know? There's a Lacey base. Speak of the devil. Maybe that's a sign of good things to come here too. All right, we got the Gronk, Marcus Colston, Christian Ponder, Larry Fitz, and of course there's the Eddie Lacy. And our hit, another Cowboy. Cowboys have been killing it between yesterday and today. Gavin Escobar, triple patch auto. Nice. 2 hits already. 2 nice hits for the Cowboys. That's not numbered to 49 though. 153 of 399. I can get it to zoom. There we go. 153 of 399. But nice card, nevertheless. I hope we get like a nice 1 of 1 again out of something here. Our best bet is the Inception. Danny Amendola, Clay Matthews, Andy Dalton, Phillip Rivers, and our rookie is Jasper Collins for the Dolphins. And our hit, Matt Barkley for the Eagles. Matt Barkley. Also, the Phillip Rivers, I guess, is a gold parallel. It's 23 of 99. Matt Barkley, rookie initiation, and that is 24 of 399. It doesn't seem to want to focus right now. There we go. Matt Barkley. Also, I just started a Twitter account. If you guys want to follow me on there, I do like I show some of the best hits we get on there. And of course, on the Facebook page, I always announce when the breaks are starting and when I post and stuff on eBay, so you guys keep up to date on that. On Twitter, I think our handle is @4sportscards. If you guys want to join that too, or follow me on there. All right, we got Malcolm Floyd, Brandon Marshall, Victor Cruz, Andre Johnson, our rookie Marcus Hunt, the man from Romania. I believe he's from Romania. If you guys watch that, oh, what's the show they do every year during preseason on HBO? They talked about it. Oh, he's from like Romania or something like that. And our hit, Jonathan Banks for the Buccaneers. Jonathan Banks. That's 51 of 399. Johnny Banks. Hard Knocks, that's what I was thinking of. Hard Knocks on HBO. Pretty, he talks like perfect English, but I guess he was born in Romania or something. Kendall Wright, Matt Flynn, James Laurinaitis, Pierre Garçon, and our rookie is CPAT, Cordarrelle Patterson, and our hit is another Ryan Nassib. It's a Ryan Nassib kind of night. That's 3 between the 2 breaks already. And that is 60 of 399. Ryan Nassib. So if you're a big Giants Ryan Nassib fan, you're going to be happy tonight. Well, that is if you bought it in both breaks. I don't think that happened, though. All right, we got Sam Bradford, Antonio Cromartie, Adrian Peterson, Denard Robinson, Rodney Smith, and our hit is Ryan Swope for the Cardinals. Nice big fat auto there, Ryan Swope. And that is 314 of 599. Ryan Swoop. Oh, thank God the AC kicked back on. It gets hot in this room with the computer. All right. Next pack, we got Matthew Stafford, DeMarcus Ware, Vincent Jackson, Andrew Luck, our rookie, Ontario McCaleb, and our hit, Marcus Lattimore, dual patch, rookie team threads for the Niners. Marcus Lattimore, and that is 10 of 399. Marcus Lattimore. All right, down to our last pack of momentum. And we got Julio Jones again, RG3, Demarius Thomas, Jermaine Gresham, and we got Tyrann Mathieu for the Cardinals, the Honey Badger, and our last hit, Champ Bailey. Got a nice vet patch there. Champ Bailey, Momentum Material. Oh, that's a tongue twister. Sweet. And that is 127 of 199. Champ Bailey for the Broncos. Although I think, didn't they cut him? I think he's going to somewhere else. Or, I can't remember if anybody's picked him up yet. Okay, so I got one person saying we want playbook last. So, I usually like to save the Inception near the last two, so I guess we'll go with Sterling. I've yet to open Sterling myself, so this should be fun. I know there's a lot of hits in here. And we'll do the box hit at the end. Right, empty box. Right, here we go. This is some thick packs of cards. Oh, don't want to reveal the hit too quick. They got them turned around on me here. All right, so we got Kerwin Williams, Sheldon Richardson, Marquise Goodwin, 58 of 75. And our first hit is an auto of Kenyon Barner. Kenyon Barner for the Panthers. Nice Kenyon Barner auto. And our other hit, nice Geno Smith patch. And that is looks like a blue wave refractor. Yep. 32 of 99. That patch is like popping out of the card almost. It's so thick right there with the with part of the letter going through there. If you can see that, it's kind of on top almost coming out of the card. That is a cool patch. Geno Smith, 32 of 99. The Kenyon Barner is not numbered. All right. Next pack. Ooh. All right. We got Demontre Moore, Terrence Williams, Chris Thompson, and our first hit is Ziggy Ansah. Ezekiel Ansah for the Lions. And our patch is Stephen Taylor. Of course, these are pretty high numbered. 753 of 1214. Ziggy Ansah and Stephen Taylor. Alright, I don't want to reveal too early. Alright, we got Mike Glennon, Jamal Charles. Slick cards here. Cordarrelle Patterson. And our first hit, Knile Davis. Low numbered. That must be 54 of 55. Looks like there. Nice jersey patch. So we don't reveal the next one. It's a refractor also. Must be some like prism refractor or something. 54 of 55, Knile Davis. And our other hit is another Marcus Lattimore patch. 929 of 1214. You guys can like see my camera and the reflection of these cards are so shiny. And the Cordarrelle. Nice Knile Davis there. Get a little more white here. There we go. Helped a little bit. Oh, whoopsie, I revealed the hits. Well, we'll just do the hits first then. We got Landry Jones, 59 of 200. Patch auto. And Tavon Austin, 540 of 1206 patch. Tavon Austin. And our base, Cam Newton, Russell Wilson, and RG3. Oh, nice base there. Tavon Austin and Landry Jones. Got 2 packs to go. Oh, this is a thin pack. Wonder what's up with this. Oh, because there's a redemption in it, that's why. And we got Kenny Stills, Luke Jokel, and we got a nice parallel 1 of 25, Mike Glennon. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. 1 of 25. And I'll use that card to reveal. Alright, so the redemption. Oh, and I just did it. Autograph, Marcus Lattimore. Whoopsie. I guess just a regular autograph. I guess Marcus Lattimore hasn't signed to Sterling yet. Marcus Lattimore. And our other hit. Ooh, a nice Robert Woods patch. 864 of 1214. Robert Woods. Oh, Marcus Lattimore got a couple hits tonight. Alright, and we got Ryan Nassib, Eddie Lacy. We got Cordarrelle Patterson, numbered 36 of 99. And let's just do both these hits at the same time here. We got Stephen Taylor and Stedman Bailey. Stedman Bailey's 548 of 1214. And we got a Stephen Taylor auto. Nice hits there. All right, and our last little box topper hit here. I hope it's a nice one. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Not again. Not again. Yep. Ryan Nassib again. It is a Ryan Nassib kind of night. And that is 80 of 171 Blue Wave Refractor. Nice two-color patch, though. Ryan Nassib again. Giants killing it. All right. 2 boxes left. Oh, take a little drink here. All right, so we'll do the Inception and we'll do the Playbook last. All right, here we go. Move that to the front. All right, so our parallel. This looks like it's getting a little dark in here. Let me turn on a light here. There we go. Brighten it up in here. All right. And our parallel is Victor Cruz, 64 of 199. We got a Randall Cobb, Santonio Holmes. We have Joe Flacco, 82 of 95. And our first hit, Le'Veon Bell, 22 of 25. Le'Veon Bell for the Steelers. Nice on-card auto there. And our second hit is nice Geno Smith, 22 of 25. Rookie patch auto. Geno Smith. Nice two-color patch there. And our last hit is Inception. Another all numbered to 25 here. 2 of 25. Robert Woods. 4-color patch. So I got blue, black, red, and white. Nice Robert Woods patch. All right. There's our 3 hits. All numbered to 25. That's pretty decent. All right, last box. Here we go. Playbook, and then we're all done. Hope we get a nice one booklet. Hopefully, let's get I want a sweet booklet. That's the skinny pack. The other skinny pack. And our red booklet. All right. All right, so we'll save our booklets for last. And our first hit, Robert Woods again. Back to back. And that's another 4-color patch. And also numbered 12 of 25. Blue, black, red, and white. That's a nice mammoth patch there. Robert Woods. No silver packs. I guess this, I haven't seen a silver pack. Does that mean something special in playbook? Is that like a hot pack or something? For an extra pack you get. And our auto is Kerwin Williams for the Colts. 182 of 299. Kerwin Williams. All right, last two packs. We got two booklets. God, I hope it's something sweet. And our first one, Denard Robinson for the Jags. Nice patch here, nice 3-color patch here, and then a big old auto right there. And it's 77 of 199 there. Nice Denard Robinson booklet. Jags getting some love. All right. Last booklet. Last hit. And our last booklet is Landry Jones for the Steelers. 2-color patch. Decent auto there. And that's 239 of 270. 271, I'm sorry. 239 of 271. Landry Jones booklet. All right. Well, that'll do that. So look for pictures of all these hits on facebook.com/farsportscards. I'll put those up here in the next half hour, 45 minutes or so. I got two breaks here to go through, sort real quick. I'm going to do a hit recap real quick.